Paul Pelosi's attacker already awaiting sentencing, but now comes the possible round two. San Francisco's district attorney seems ready to roll up her sleeves and pursue more charges, but a lot depends on what happens in court today. Today in the base, Ginger Conejero Saab live for us. And Ginger, talk to us about what's set to happen next.
Well, Marcus, this will be the first time that we see David DePape after he was found guilty of attempted kidnapping and assault in federal court. The sentencing for that case has not happened yet, but this morning, San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins and her team of prosecutors are ready to take the first step in trying him on a handful of other charges in his state case. Those charges include attempted murder. Now, we don't expect him to be in court for very long. Today's proceedings will set a date for when his trial will begin. DA Jenkins gave this statement after DePape's federal conviction, saying in part, quote, Mr. DePape is facing a different set of charges in our case, including attempted murder, assault with a deadly weapon, elder abuse, and false imprisonment. We are confident in our case and are prepared to move forward to trial. Now, the DA may be prepared to move forward after the outcome in the federal case, but she may not need to.
And I think this outcome could greatly affect whether that state case goes forward or whether there's a settlement reached with concurrent time.
That was a legal analyst we spoke to previously. The charges stem from the attack that happened in October of last year when DePape broke into the Pelosi's San Francisco home. The video here shows the moments that led up to the brutal confrontation between DePape and Paul Pelosi that left Mr. Pelosi with a fractured skull. Mr. Pelosi took the stand during the federal trial, but we do not know if he will do the same in the state trial. If it pushes through, we will have a better idea of how things will proceed when court begins at 9 this morning, and we'll bring you the latest on our midday newscast and online at NBCBayArea.com. Marcus?